Yep, people say, don't know it's your boy Crystal Beer out there represent for dancehall, reggae, vibes, zine. So yeah, people, may I tell ya, beer vibes are dream weekends, beer niceness, beer things, you know, the girl them forward out, you know, to see the artist. So I'm on the forward amp on the stage. Yes, all white party, the girl them come out clean and one bag of something. So the artist forward out and I shell with the thing. Put in the 100, 150. 200%, as you may say, and them a slap it, you know, the girl them there go and sing with him and go out with beer vibes and beer things. You see it? But when you check the reality of the thing, my artist, you have to take care of yourself. You see me? So you can't tell what really are going inside there, you know, so you have to evaluate yourself at times and then some they have to know, you know what I mean, check your intake, you know, things that you consume and them type of something there. Because remember the artist up on the brink of rise right now and it don't look good for you. You know, forget a news like this. I know your fans them don't want to hear nothing. You see me and say, yeah man, your fans them want to say alright and you're good. You see me, because right now this take the place away. You see me? Right after dream weekends, remember in a youth I used to hard, you know. Right time for you go hard right now and the girl them there go hard with you. You see me? So, my people, may I tell you, the news are shocking. When I say shocking, shocking. You see me? Artists don't perform, hunger for you say heart attack. Artists hospitalized. But give thanks to life, you know what I mean? Could be worse. But the artist is alright, you see me and say. Prior to the information when me get, you know? I'm good. I recover and I come through. You see me? The whole information I give out prior to what the cause of the heart attack and them type of thing there. But yet, you know, give thanks to the information so the artist alright. So this is my word now from the dance, soul, reggae vibes team to all artists and every individual. You have to take care of yourself. Be mindful of the things that you consume. And when they are party, can't mix up everything. You have to know where you mix. You see me? And you have to assess yourself and know when you drink certain liquor, what to do to you and how it make you feel. You see me, I say, because alcohol different. I remember says that it's still ethanol. You see it? And when you drink them type of energy there, it gives you a pull, push type of vibration. So you feel up right now and then the next time you feel down. And when I say you feel down, it's a pull up. You see me? Heart rate, blood pressure, everything drop. You see it? So you have to be very mindful. Some artists from the Dancehall Reggae Vibes team, yeah man, get well fast, quick. You know what I mean? Because the girl them want to see and the G them want to hear you.
And right now, Dancehall, Reggae, yeah, that channel there, they need to subscribe because they're going to do something in the August, yeah? In the month of August, yeah? For the whole of August, 50 US. Peas, a giveaway. So if you want to get the merch are for people them overseas. You at Jamaica can get the merch too, but we will give you some credit. Lime credit, Digicel credit. Just check in the description, yeah, below. So you will get the information for know how to win the 50 USD, yeah? Check in our world.